Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to make this simple composition to create some sort of a notebook or like a sketchbook image. So let's begin with opening the three images. They'll be in the description for anyone who wants to try this out. First, let's go over to the happy people image and make sure the move tool is selected. Just drag it and drop it onto the sketchbook image. Now hit Ctrl T or Command T for Mac and resize and move it around a bit. There we go. Now right click the layer and convert it into a smart object. Now let's go to filter and filter gallery. And under artistic, let's choose the post edges filter. Now you can play around with the controls for a while until you like what you see. And now when you're done with that, right click the layer and go to blending options. And go to stroke. So then we can add a nice border to it. For the next step, make sure that the image layer is selected and change the blend mode to multiply. This makes it look as if the image is part of the book. Now let's take a closer look. If you look closely, you can see the bend of the book is almost visible, giving it a nice depth. At this point, you're pretty much done. But let's add a few more details to make it look better. Go to the tape image and select a piece that looks good. You don't have to worry about the surrounding whites, just copy and paste it into our sketchbook image and place it wherever you like. Now, let's change its blend mode to multiply too. There we go. Now it looks like a proper piece of tape. And finally, let's add some sentimental sentence to the bottom of the page, just because. And we're done. Looks pretty good to me. Thanks for watching guys, and I hope you learned something new. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace out.